Hi everyone, my name's Dr. Rachel Corman and I'm the feline specialist at Veterinary Specialist Services. And this short video is just to demonstrate how to nebulise your cat at home. This is my beautiful model Snow, and she's going to help me demonstrate this procedure this morning. So generally we'll recommend nebulisation for cats that have chronic lower airway diseases, potentially such as feline asthma, and it can be really helpful for cats that are having flare-up of their asthma, and also cats that have chronic nasal discharge and maybe rhinosinusitis or other types of chronic sneezing. And it's a very, very good way of just helping to dislodge some of the nasal discharge that's in the nose, and also just helping to improve overall airway health and hydration as well. Sometimes we'll ask you to put specific medications into the nebulisation chamber, such as antibiotics or bronchodilators, but other times we'll ask you just to put in saline or tap water. So we'll make sure that that's clear to you in your instructions, but if you have any questions, then please don't hesitate to contact us at the clinic at any time. This is a little portable nebulising unit from a company called Breathatech. You can find their information and a link to their site on the website, and you can just purchase these online. I really like these units because they're nice and small, but more importantly, they're actually really quiet for cats, and the cats tolerate them really well. So basically what you do, this is the little chamber for introducing your medications. Has a little flip top lid and a seal in here, like so. So what I'll do here, I'm just putting in some distilled water, so about 3 mils, so 3 to 5 mils the chamber will collect. And then you basically just slide this down until you hear the click. The button to switch the chamber or to switch the nebulising unit on is at the top. And you can see this very, very fine mist that comes out. It does make a very, very quiet hissing sound, which some cats can be a little bit nervous of, but this is one of the quietest units that are available on the market. Now, I will say Snow has never had this done before, so this is a normal reaction for her. And if you're doing this regularly for your cat at home, it's really important to make sure that they get some positive rewards with treats and things after the procedure as well. And you'll find that most cats will tolerate it very well once they're used to the sound and the smell too. So ideally what we would do would be to have that steam coming right up as close to the nose of the cat as you can. Alright, and then other ways that you can do it if you have a cat that you find it really hard to get that cat to tolerate the steam therapy is to actually use little chambers like this one. And you can make a chamber like this really easily. Just go down to your local supermarket or your local hardware store and just buy a large plastic box. And then what you can do is just actually introduce the steam into the box like so, and then just let your cat sit quietly in the box with the steam penetrating into the chamber that way. And you can also give the cat lots of treats and things in the chamber, and they can just sit in there for a couple of minutes while they're getting that inhalational therapy. Once you've finished and you make sure that all of that steam or the medication that you need to give has evaporated from that chamber, there's a little button down at the bottom here, so you just press that, take the chamber off, and just gently rinse out the chamber so that there's no residue. Just using tap water for that would be fine. So hopefully that's given you some useful information on how to perform nebulisation for your cat at home. Like I said, it's really important to just try and get the cats used to the procedure very slowly, and certainly things like positive rewards and positive reinforcement for cats like that is going to be really, really useful to to improve their acceptance of that procedure. As a side note, if you do have to use the chamber technique for your cats, it's really important just to never leave them unobserved while they're in the chambers. It can get very hot within the chambers, and obviously, ventilation is also compromised as well. So a maximum of maybe 3 to 4 minutes inside the chamber would be ideal. So if you have any questions, then please don't hesitate to contact us at the hospital at any time.